Dear Virgo, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing really good. This is Falguni and I'm here to do your no contact reading. This is for the month of October and this is for Virgo, Sun, Moon and Rising. Please check your placements before watching the reading. This will not resonate with all of you because it is a general reading, and if you want to book a personal reading with me, please reach out to me on my email address given in the description box below. Alright, let's go into your reading and see what are the feelings and intentions of your person towards you, with whom you are in no contact with, Virgo. Let's see what are their feelings and intentions towards you, Virgo. Okay, let's find out what are their feelings and intentions towards you, Virgo. So they are planning to break through. I mean, they feel there should be a breakthrough in the situation, a justice of some sort, a revelation of some sort. Okay, we'll clarify this further. They're feeling burdened. They're feeling a lot of burden in the situation because of whatever has transpired between you two. Let's clarify it further. Let's clarify the breakthrough card further and see what is it about. Let's clarify the breakthrough card and see what is it about. Let's clarify the breakthrough card and see what is it about. So the breakthrough. Here the breakthrough is that they want to, they tried, someone is trying to walk away. Okay, or someone walked away. Maybe you walked away from this person and they're feeling hurt in this situation. They want to come towards you, but they're very slow. They're very slow moving energy, and that's the justice they want in the situation. Maybe because they feel there was something that was not justified. They feel there was something that was not justified. That is, you walked away and left them hurt, left them broken for no reason. And now they want to come towards you, but they're a very slow moving energy. You know, Knight of Pentacles is a very slow card. Let's see what are the actions that they're going to take towards you, if any, Virgo. Are they going to take any action towards you? Let's find out. Let's find out, are they going to take any action towards you? Are they going to take? So they are not going to take any action towards you. They just want to, prove themselves innocence, or maybe they want to have a fresh new beginning with you. But that is all in their heart space. They're not taking any action. They're suppressing it also because of rejection, maybe because they're scared of rejection, or maybe they feel you've moved on or something. So let's clarify the innocence card here. They see, they want to culminate this connection from the scratch, or they see something innocent about you two in the connection. So to clarify this innocence, you have these three. That is, you have your Two of Swords. They're mentally obstructed, mentally stuck. They have a lot of love for you. They're also getting the calling to reconnect with you. They want to re-establish the connection with you, but from the fresh. They want to do it as a fresh start, from the beginning itself. Okay, they want to do it as a fresh start from the beginning itself. This is all in their heart space. Right now their heart chakra is blocked, so they're not taking any action towards you. They're hurt. They're very hurt. They're trying to heal from the situation. They have a lot of love for you, but it's taking time for them to come towards you because of the things that have happened between you two. That has blocked their heart chakra basically. Okay, that is what I am getting. They're rejecting everybody and everyone. They're in a solitude kind of energy, in two minds also about things. Sometimes they feel something, sometimes they feel something else. Okay, let's see what are your thoughts and feelings for this person. What are your thoughts and feelings for this person? Virgo, what are your thoughts and feelings for this person? You are trying to build the courage to walk away from this person. That is true that you walked away. That means that is true. And you're also having a lot of patience in the situation. I don't know why you're being so patient. I'm not sure about that. So you are also exercising a lot of patience in this situation. Maybe you want this person to contact you or something, and in the meantime you're trying to, you know, strive through hardships. I mean, you are trying to keep your calm amidst the storm. That is, even though you feel a lot of stress and everything, you're still trying to manage yourself and, you know, show that smile and try to be happy. You're trying that. Okay, let's clarify this courage card. What is it about? What is the courage that you are showing here, Virgo? So you are basically showing the courage to strive, like I told you, resting. You've taken a break. You are on a break, and you also are on a break because you felt that this was a lot of on and off connection. A lot of on and off. You had, sometimes you were talking, sometimes you are not. Though you feel that it's a soulmate connection, that's why you are trying to be happy, though you are not. From inside you are not happy, but you're trying to be happy. When you're trying to, that means you felt a bond with that person. There's a soulmate energy that is there. You both exchanged the cup with each other. You both felt that connection with each other. And what else do you expect? So you still trying to cope up with the situation somehow, but I would say that you're waiting for this person also to reach out in some shape or form, because this has been happening continuously in your life and you are aware, but they are very slow. They're very slow moving. They're not even taking any action as of now. They're healing. They're trying to heal. They are, their heart chakra is blocked at the moment. So if I tell you what is the guidance for you in this situation, let me tell you the guidance for you in this situation. Okay, what is the guidance for you in this situation? Virgo, what is the guidance for you in this situation? Clinging to the past. You need to stop clinging to the past. See, I told you, you were trying to build the courage to, try to be happy and everything, but inside you are not happy. You're clinging to the past. You need to get over the past stuff, past feelings, past hurt, everything. If you want to have a fresh start with this person, still you need to heal. And if, in case you don't want to have a fresh start with this person, still you need to heal. So in any case, you have to heal for your own good, right? Let's clarify this clinging to the past. Let's clarify this clinging to the past here. What is the card about? Let's clarify this. Okay, so you're clinging to the past so much so that it is giving you nightmares. You are not able to sleep at night, stressed, you're feeling left out, you are constantly feeling alone, you are in a contemplative, meditative state. You cannot just stop thinking about this person, no matter what you try. That is the kind of obsession you are having. So you need to stop this. The guidance here is you need to stop thinking about this person, relax for a bit, let them come towards you. They are a very slow moving energy. They also want a breakthrough in the situation, but right now they're confused because they know that you are hurt and you have walked away from them. So they are trying to figure things out at the moment. Give them time. Alright, Virgo. So that was the reading for you. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I will see you soon in my next reading. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and stay blessed. Thank you. Namaste.